Hi, we are Group 5, presenting our autonomous drone navigation system powered by deep reinforcement learning. Delivery are delayed not by distance, but by traffic. Traditional delivery service face congestions, unpredictable route, and constant delay, resulting in higher costs, longer delivery time, and inefficiency. As cities become more crowded and online shopping continues to grow, faster delivery solutions are becoming increasingly important. Our project aims to reduce delivery delay, minimize dependency on road traffic, and improve the efficiency of last-mile delivery. To address this challenge, we propose an autonomous drone-based delivery system. Instead of using congested routes, delivery can be complete through aerial transportation using drones. Our application includes a delivery management dashboard for monitoring route, delivery progress, and drone activity. Key features include route planning, delivery tracking, and real-time monitoring. These features help improve delivery speed, operational efficiency, and traffic-free logistics. Compared to traditional delivery methods, our solution offers faster operation, reduced delay, and a scalable future delivery model. This solution has potential application in e-commerce, medical supply delivery, and emergency response. Drone delivery presents a smarter and more efficient future for last-mile logistics.